In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Outlook dark mode. Dark mode can make your inbox easier on the eyes, especially at night, and it often helps conserve battery life on laptops. I'll walk you through the steps for the new Outlook and Outlook on the web first, then show you how to do it in classic Outlook. If you're using the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, start by clicking the settings gear icon in the top right corner. This opens the settings panel. From here, look for General. In some layouts, you may see View Settings first. If you do, select that, then choose General. Inside General, find Appearance. This is where Outlook manages themes and color modes. Select the dark theme. If you see a Save button, click Save to apply your changes. If you don't see a Save option, your selection applies automatically. You'll also notice a toggle or option labeled Use System Settings. Turning this on tells Outlook to match your Windows or macOS appearance. That way, when your computer switches between light and dark, maybe based on time of day, Outlook follows along automatically. If you prefer a consistent look all the time, leave that off and keep the dark theme selected manually. Depending on your account or region, labels and buttons might look slightly different, but the path is the same: is Settings, General, Appearance, then Dark or Use System Settings. Now let's set dark mode in classic Outlook. Click the File tab in the top left of the Outlook window. On the left side menu, select Office Account. In some versions, it may be labeled Account. Look for Office Theme and open the drop-down menu. Choose Black. That's Microsoft's full dark theme for the classic apps and will give Outlook the deepest dark appearance available in this version. Once you've selected Black, click the back arrow at the top to return to your emails. Your theme change takes effect immediately. If you don't see the exact wording shown here, you might be in a slightly different build, but the options will be close. As a quick tip, if the new Outlook steps don't match what you see, you're likely using classic Outlook, so try the File and Office account route instead. And if you prefer your apps to mirror your computer's theme automatically, the Use System Settings option in the new Outlook and web experience is a great set it and forget it choice. That's all you need to turn on dark mode in Outlook across versions. Thanks for watching.